Good day, my name is Ahmed Jassat and I'm going through a short presentation on new features, Oracle EBS release 12.2.6 concurrent request screen. Who am I? I'm working as an Oracle EBS apps DBA in South Africa for a company called Evolve. I enjoy being proactive and assisting clients and as well as giving tips and advice on how we can improve the Oracle product and making your implementation and your support a successful one. Okay, so my topic is going to be quick and short. It's 12.2.6 concurrent request screen. Okay, if you look at the previous releases from release 12.1 downwards, this was the concurrent manager screen. So you could see what is running, you could refresh, you had to click to refresh the data, you could find the request and you could submit a new request. So this is the old screen that we all were seeing from release 11 until 12.1.3 version. Okay. Now, if we go to the new screen, there's a couple of new buttons which makes our lives as administrators, as apps DBAs quite easy. We have an auto refresh button there, a checkbox which you can tick. So this screen automatically refreshes in the time that you allocate it. You can allocate it between 60 seconds right up to an hour, right? And then you have the button called submit new request. So that means you don't have to go back and close the previous screens that was in this version to submit a new request. You had to and then you have the button called submit new concurrent request set, and then as well as on the single screen you have copy a single request, so you can click on it and you can copy, which is a new button there, and then you can copy a request set as well, which is another one which is extremely awesome, is a rerun request. So you can just click on it and click on rerun request. All right. So if you can go through for the auto refresh, there's a profile option called concurrent auto refresh view request. So you can set it in seconds. So if you wanted 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and I just got this from the documentation, auto refresh checkbox. When this checkbox is selected, the form will refresh the list of requests after a specified interval measured in seconds. Use the profile option concurrent auto refresh view request timer seconds to set this interval. So this is extremely useful. So if you want to monitor concurrent request, if a functional admin comes to you and say this concurrent request is running too long, or can you give me the timings of these concurrent requests, or you know that a concurrent request which you need to do health checks daily, so you can open the screen, set your profile option and click on auto refresh, tick the auto refresh box there as well. A rerun request, this is an awesome one, so you don't have to go back and check what the user has, all the properties that the user have chosen. You can just click on rerun request, and the rerun request button, this is a new button, will submit the selected request with exactly the same parameters after confirmation. So it's an awesome feature. And then you have two more features, which is copy single request or copy a request set. All right. These buttons allow you to copy a single request or request set respectively. A list of values is provided to the selected request or request set. So it makes your life as a functional user and as administrator extremely easy. Then submit a new request or submit a new request set similar to the above. These buttons allow you to submit a new request or submit a new request set respectively. These buttons are added to the find request window. So they were added there to make your life easier to work on one screen instead of toggling and going back between screens. Right, benefits of these new buttons is the single screens for administrators and functional admins. easy for testing concurrent requests. So if you had to go in and test concurrent requests that you are putting into production and you want to test it in lower environments, you can use these for timings, you can use these for issues, you can use them for training as well. For us administrators or functional people, monitoring requests. So if you submit a request and now you need to go and check it, you can use the auto refresh option, instead of clicking on the old, refresh data button. As I say, it's useful for your users as well, extremely useful. So please share this tip with your functional users. Very important. You can share this video. It will make their lives extremely easy. No need to move back to the screen. So no need to move back to the find request screen. No need to click on the refresh button. You won't have an option where if you leave your screen open, you receive a timeout issue now. And it's useful for troubleshooting. So your testers, show these videos to your testers, show these videos to your functional administrators, and show this video to your entire team. They will really appreciate this new screen, this new button. It improves and saves time. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I have more innovations and tips of my YouTube page. Please visit my YouTube page. I do work for Edge Evolve. My contact details are below. If you need any assistance, if you need any advice, or if you're having any burning issues, please, you are welcome to give us a call, and we will see how we can assist you best to make the Oracle implementation a successful one. But before I go, I just would like to show you on my VM. Here is the screen. So the buttons that we have discussed is submit a new request set, copy a single request, copy request set. The useful button is as well is auto refresh. So if you don't tick this, you'll have to click on the refresh data button. But if you tick this, you don't have to worry because it will refresh. I set it to every 60 seconds. So it will every 60 seconds refresh the screen there as well. As I say again, thank you for watching this video. If you need any assistance, if you need any advice in your Oracle implementation or your Oracle EBS or any Oracle products, please do contact me and we will see where we can assist you. Thank you and bye-bye.